Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you're keeping well, and today I'm going to review the HD660s headphones from Sennheiser. These have had 200 hours of burning, give them a fair chance, so let's go check these babies out. Okay, so this is the box. Not very exciting. It says high-res audio. Open the box and you get this lovely case with hinges. This is a hard case. Keep your headphones here. Obviously not very portable, and within this there are various different options. This is the one of the cables here. This is a balanced, the new balanced option, so you've got that as well. But very exciting, isn't it? You also get this guide, so if we have a closer look at this, and I'll just zoom in for you so you can see it. It does actually say here the package contents. Let's bring it a bit closer. That you get a 1/4 inch and a 3.5mm stereo jack adapter, and I'll show you all that. And you get the 4.4mm Pentacon stereo jack, which is the balanced one I just showed you. These are some of the specifications. It's a transducer principal dynamic open range, frequency response is 10 to 41 Hertz. There's all the other specifications there. They're only 150 ohms, they're 104 dB, and you can see all the other options there. But let's take a look at these headphones on my head, just to show you how they look in terms of the fit. I find these quite comfortable. Let's go check the close-up of the headphones. Okay, so these are the headphones. You've seen them on my head. They come with their two connectors here and here, like the others, and they are terminated at 6.3, but you do get in the box this adapter which does the 3.5 from 6.3 to 3.5, which is fine because there's no strain. I like using that. It is quite long for portable use, so you might want to replace it. You can use these you know, in a portable setup. Bit impractical because, as you can see here, the grills let all the sound out and all the sound in. Sennheiser logo shows you it's got a left side here as well. Sennheiser off to the left on the band. Nice cushion top. These are comfortable, nice movement. When you're adjusting these, you can hear the clicks. Everything here is replaceable. These are replaceable pads, everything. So in terms of longevity, you will get quite a decent amount of time. Now, I've had these burnt in for 200 hours, been listening throughout that time on and off, but they just are really amazing. So what do I like about these? Well, unlike the 600s or the 650s that I've had, I haven't got either 600 or 650 to compare with, unfortunately. But as these stand, these do seem more detailed, more precise. I actually found the soundstage to be really, really wide, good separation. So I was listening to some jazz, very, you know, good vocals, instruments all over the place, saxophone, piano, fantastic. Put some rock on. These move really, really fast, and was very, very impressed with these headphones. They're expensive, you know, about £430, and you can buy the 600s or 650s for you know, good £150 less. Is there £150 more quality than the 600 or 650? Probably not, in a pro rata basis, but these, in my opinion, from what I remember of my 600s that I had, are fantastic. What I do like about them is the actual feeling when you're listening to the music. I actually had some jazz going, which I really love through these in particular, and I could feel, you know, it's when your hairs lift on your arms when it's that good. The 600s did it when I used to play them through tube amps. This actually worked and did the same thing as well. So really impressive, great headphone. I think they're amazing. They did work from my LG V30 fairly well. I was pretty impressed by that. So the 150 ohms does make them slightly easier to drive, and therefore that's another advantage. Some people may not like the high level treble because it's more pronounced than the 650s, which are a bit smoother. Personally, I actually quite like these because of the separation, the detail. These are far more detailed headphones, and they are really recommended. It's Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Keep well, guys, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye for now.